Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful chignon on short hair. To start, I'm adding some volume and texture powder to the crown. I'll pop all the products I use in the description below. Next we're going to gather up that crown section of the hair, and then at the back of the head I'm just going to give it one little twist and then slide a bobby pin through the centre of that twist to secure it to the head. Pinch and pull the crown for a little bit more texture and secure with some hairspray. Now I'm going to take the hair from the left hand side and a chunk of hair from the bottom right hand side of the nape of the neck. Bring these together at the back of the head and secure them into a ponytail using an elastic band. Next, pop a couple of fingers behind the elastic band, grab the ends and pull it through to create a twist. Now we're going to take all the hair on the right hand side from the ear forwards, leaving a little out to frame the face, and I'm going to pop a couple of fingers behind that twist we just made, pass the hair to your fingers and pull it all the way through so it wraps around that twist. Hold to the head and slide a bobby pin through that twist to secure it. Then we're going to take all the hair that's left over from the middle to the right hand side. Again, pop your fingers behind the twist, pass your hair to your fingers and pull it through. Then secure through the middle of that twist with a couple of pins. Then we're going to take a big chunk of hair from the left hand side behind the ear. Again, pop your fingers behind that twist, grab the hair and pull it all the way through and secure with as many pins as needed. I'm going to add some more of that volume powder all throughout the ponytail. And then I'm just going to gently tease the top side only. Bring that ponytail up and secure at the end with an elastic band, only bringing it part way through on the last twist to create a little loop. And we're just going to roll that twist underneath towards the head and then just push it to the head and secure all the way through that twist with as many pins as needed. If you leave your bobby pins closed, this hides the pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.